This is nutmeg.
This is it, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, there you are.
Yeah, yeah.
Came all the way here to see you, man.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right. I just want to look at it. There's actually a toilet on here. Amazing.
It's cute.
Yeah. Welcome to Kamarian. Kamarian. I said it wrong. Kamarian, okay. Welcome to Kamarian.
Yes, yes.
Kamu tinggal di sini?
Room, my home.
That's your home? Right there. Welcome home. Setiap hari go back and forth? Every day?
Yeah.
No. Satu huh? Satu minggu one time? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that's where we came from over there, Ambon. Okay. Terima kasih. Thank you. Permisi. Permisi. Thank you. Thank you. Nice hair blown, dry hair. I probably have the same look though.
Yeah. Give you a
Hey.
Ah, Messer, where is snow?
Hey.
Where is snow?
Hey.
Yeah.
Kawaii. Cute.
They don't have ojek, so we wait here.
No GoJet taxis?
Ojek.
OJet?
Ojek is a taxi scooter.
Like GoJet or no?
Yeah, Gojek it's like company name.
But
Gojek.
this is OJet.
Yeah, Ojek.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, you can definitely feel it's a much more remote place over here. Very quiet. It's beautiful.
Oh ya kata bawa langsa ke sini dah lah. Ada nanti kata bilang kakak
ada
lagi.
satu lah ya.
Iya ada.
And it's so nice having Atha here to work out all the rides and do all the talking. So this sign says, Di sini ada jual anakan, cingke, and pala. Here we sell cloves and nutmeg. So maybe I finally found a place that sells cloves and nutmeg, or maybe I found a place that I can see some cloves and nutmeg. Still can't smell it. But this is a beautiful place. Look at this. We're going?
Yeah.
All right. Bye-bye. 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 Kayla, bye-bye. Touch. Touch. Woo. Right. Thank you. And we're off. Let's go. Woo. So these are the rambutan, the lychee trees. Look how many there are. Tons of them. Is this the waterfall?
Yeah, we're going.
We're gonna go up a little bit?
We are stop for making this. The trees
Okay,
with,
stop and check out the trees. All right. I appreciate her letting me ride on the bike that has a bigger seat. Much appreciated. Nice bike. Yeah. Alright, so it looks like we're going deep into the rainforest. After about a 20-minute drive from the port on a beautiful paved road, I have to say, it was nice. First impressions of Seram? It's exactly what you think of when you imagine what a tropical paradise would look like. You have all the huge green coconut trees and green nature and the beautiful ocean right there. All right. There's hardly any trash. I haven't noticed any pollution on the side of the road. It's just pristine, it's clean. I like it so far. Beautiful. You seeing this? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Beautiful. The most remote place I think I've ever been in Indonesia, by far. Ooh, that's nice and cool too. That feels so good. Look how clean this water is. Wow. Never seen any place like this in Indonesia yet. First time. Adventure, that's for sure. Okay. Okay, so this is what you're doing today, just checking to see how available this waterfall is and what the access is like?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
Yes.
I would say it's a good idea to wear shoes like this.
Yeah.
Yep. Keen, are you listening? You want to sponsor any of these videos? You can.
They
Wait,
not coming to...
They haven't been to this place in 11 years?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to a place really remote.
Yeah, really remote.
Wow, okay. I hope we can get there. I hope it's safe. And yeah, I would advise wearing some tough waterproof shoes like this, something that wraps behind your heel and stays on really tight. But at the same time, I'm watching these guys over here walk around in flip-flops, so I wouldn't do it, but they certainly can. Woo, look at this. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Where am I?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. So she did get a huge bag of rambutan. I just like saying that word, rambutan. Woo. They're kind of funky looking. Kind of make your skin crawl just by looking at them, but a lot of ants on this one. Let's when you dig into them though, they're delicious. They are delicious. Oh yeah, delicious. Wow. They're poisonous, right?
No.
These aren't poisonous?
No.
Wow. A millipede, centipede.
Yeah. Ular cincin. Cincin is mean ring.
Uh-huh.
They say ring snake.
Crazy. We have the centipedes, the mukade in Japan. Those things will mess you up. You do not want to get stung or bitten by one of those.
Oh.
They're very poisonous and they'll ruin your day.
This is
How you say tunas? Like this?
Look how wet that is.
Yeah. From this, then come this. You
Really?
see in the new leaves.
Okay, so even though they chopped it off here, it's still going to keep growing.
Yeah.
Wow. This is cacao.
Yeah. You eat chocolate.
You eat chocolate and it comes from here, yeah?
Yeah. Producent.
Wow.
in this.
And is that a beehive?
Sorry?
What is that?
Oh yeah, bee. No, it is, but not.
There's no bees there, luckily.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's a huge
Bu.
beehive.
Bu Reno, bisa kukucok akang coklat ini satu nih, dia katong bisa rasakan, bisa kah? Yang masa yang kuning nih, ya?
So some of the chocolate that you're eating anywhere in the world, it could come from here. Probably not, but nice dramatic effect.
Tapi dia yang kuning boleh apa bu? Iya iya. Bu akan banting ya. This kakak, iya mau bala.
I'm curious what it looks like inside.
This white and a bit salty,
Whoa.
sour. You can try.
This
Cacao.
is what chocolate comes from?
Iya.
It's kind of like durian.
Ya, manis bu. Coba rasa.
Sweet.
Sweet sour.
Sweet and a little sour, isn't it? It kind of has that gooey texture,
Yeah.
like durian. And this is what chocolate comes from?
This you have to dry it.
Mm-hmm.
Kan kalau coklat dia mesti edon jual, akang mesti jumur dulu tuh.
Been eating chocolate all my life, and I had no idea it came from this. That is crazy.
So this, this then you take out this and then you dry it. Put on the sun.
Okay, so you
Then-
dry it like this.
Yeah, and then you sell it. It is chocolate from.
That is delicious. That is so good.
You can take
Anak. Okay, I'll take
for
it.
you.
Fresh chocolate to go. Look at that. This is the salak,
Yeah, salad.
the snake fruit,
This.
and this is the tree here.
Yeah.
Wow,
This-
very
this-
gnarly. Look at all the thorns
this-
on it.
this.
Wow,
Yeah, and this,
okay.
this is a salad. Yeah.
Okay, there it is down there.
Yeah.
It's kind of a scary looking plant. It's kind of a scary looking fruit
Yeah.
too.
And this is nutmeg.
This is it, huh?
Yeah, yeah,
Hey, there you are.
yeah.
Came all the way here to see you, man.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
That's it.
This is the reason.
All those crazy men sailed halfway around the world.
Yeah.
Risk
And
their lives.
Because of this, they changed Manhattan with drone, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's why I want to go to run.
yeah,
Incredible.
yeah.
And langsa. Langsa and guku. Apa?
Ini mangustan,
Mangustan.
ya? Mangustan.
I have never seen that kind of fruit. Or what is that?
Ini berapa? Kenapa?
Let's check out some of the fruit you can find here in Seram. You have the rambutan, the lychee,
Langsa.
Langsa.
langsa. We had those
Itu yang mangustan, Sa.
in at
Satu
the
saja.
hot
Satu,
spring.
Sa. Ya, baru mau coba para kali.
They have all the durian over here.
You can directly taste it.
Okay.
It is if you say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So inside it is 6.
Okay, so you can
Yeah?
tell how many
Yeah,
parts
yeah,
there are
yeah.
inside.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay, then you just crack it open.
Bu bisa pegang apa
Yeah,
ini kita jelaskan akan perangan.
Just crack it open like that. Look at that. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can
okay.
eat it.
Can you hold
Yeah.
it?
Begitu ya.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take out and then eat it. Yeah.
Super juicy.
Sweet. It's really
That is super sweet.
Yeah.
And delicious.
delicious.
Wow.
Makan.
It's super soft too.
Yeah.
Super soft. Bite right through it.
Yeah.
No seeds or anything.
No, sometimes you have a seed as well that you have to take out there.
I haven't had any yet, but
Yeah.
wow. Amazing. Okay. There's one seed in there, but
Yeah. Yeah.
I like these. Those are good. Those are delicious. Okay, pretty easy to open. Kind
No,
of
you have
well.
to. Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay.
if like this, a bit. How you
Bitter
say?
maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want to eat the green stuff?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's not good, right?
Yeah.
That's a green.
Udah pahit.
Baik, no,
Ya,
tidak baik.
enggak bagus.
Tidak bagus, ya.
Enggak bagus.
Tidak bagus.
Bon aja, Master.
Maybe sometimes you get a bad one. Okay. And then check out all these durian they have here.
Ini baru yang makan itu apa? Masih mau dong mau balik?
Iya.
Mau balik? Mau tes kampungnya.
Iya.
How much are they selling the package for?
This just 50,000.
50,000 for
Yeah,
5,
for this,
6? You would pay 50,000 for one
Ya, ini boleh bagus.
in Bali, maybe. Yeah.
Ada apa ya?
Super gooey. And I don't know. I don't like the taste. I'm not a fan of it. Can't tell you how refreshing it is to be in a place in Indonesia that has crystal clear rivers. No trash, no clothes, nothing. Just clear water, fish. Love it. That's how all the rivers should be. All right, so we've made it to the next waterfall.
Yeah.
And there are some massive trees back here.
This is a durian, sir. Durian.
This is where the durian comes from. Way up there, are you kidding me? This is a durian tree.
Ada tinggal nama.
This right here.
Yeah, this is durians.
Wow. How do they get them down?
Normally they climb from that and then they just with the stick
Wow.
to pick it up.
What a crazy job. Hey, look
But,
at
yeah,
nutmeg.
it's nutmeg again.
Hey, there you are.
And this we call, the season is in normally December, we call gandaria.
This
I will
is
show you. Yeah.
gandaria.
Like the taste is similar between orange and mango.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you the,
So many exotic fruits here.
yeah.
Hati, yeah. Again, this water feels so good. Wow. Woo! Yeah. This is just surreal. I mean, I wanted to come to the Spice Island so bad. I finally made it. I'm in one of the most remote places I've ever been. Here at this beautiful waterfall underneath nutmeg trees. Are you kidding me? Wow. The trees out here are crazy. Check out how big this tree is and the roots here. It just wraps around the stairs right here. And you can't even see how high it goes. I mean, it just gets lost in the trees. How long you been here?
Well, I've been here 35 years ago.
Well, we come to this place to eat some lunch. And on the way here, though, we just got drenched. Just absolutely soaked. Put on a raincoat, but it didn't do any good. I'm freaking wet. But that's okay. All part of the adventure. Feel sorry for these guys because they don't have a raincoat.
Yeah.
And he is soaked. Soaked. And that water does not feel good when it hits you in the face at 30, 40 miles an hour.
The eyes because the
I know, dude.
the rain
Hits you right in the eyes. It hurts so bad.
see-
I'm sitting there going like
Yeah,
this.
you see their eyes
Yeah.
red.
Red. Huh?
Red.
Wow, yeah.
And this.
Whoa. All right, so I got the bebek. You got the bebek.
Bebek, yeah.
2 ducks, 2 chickens.
Yeah.
Yep, 2 ducks, 2 chickens.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Enak?
Enak. Enak.
Enak dan panas. Panas is hot.
Hot, right? Enak and panas. It is very hot.
You want to spoon and fork?
No,
How you like?
I'm gonna hand it.
Yeah. You used to it with the hands or
No,
it's
I'm not.
new?
It's new. Well,
If you like with the
of course we have, we eat finger foods like chips and those kind of things with
Yeah.
hands and hamburgers, but
yeah.
things like rice, we don't eat with hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
But now you want to fork and a spoon?
No, I think I can do it.
Okay.
I'm used to it.
Experience new things. Huh?
Yes, exactly. All right, so for the best bebe goreng in Seram, come here. Where's the name of this place at? All I see the signs are for fried chicken, fried duck, ikan goreng, fried fish, fried rice. What's the name of this place? Warung ketemu lagi. That's the name of it. Come here. It's good. And luckily the rain stopped just in time. From here we're going to go to the port, we're going to catch a boat, and we're going to head back to Ambon. What a day, what a day. Alrighty, looks like we've made it to the port.
White City.
Alright, I'm glad Atha's here because she can do all the work. Get me on the boat. Okay, this reminds me of when I went back to Jimber for Idil Fitri, and we had to get in lines at the port and just wait here. That's kind of what they're doing here. I'm guessing we're going to take a big boat back with a lot of cars too. Yeah, okay. Hello. We good?
This is the local there.
Okay. Did you get the tickets for both of us?
Yes.
Okay, good. I love having somebody here to do a lot of the grunt work for me. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Wonderful day today. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Selamat.
Okay.
All right.
So we are VIP.
Right.
Going first.
We're VIP. First one's on the boat.
Yeah.
And all those cars you saw back there, they're about to load on up.
We go upstairs.
Let's go up. Let's go up. All right, let's do a quick tour of the boat before everyone gets on. In the back, you have the mushola, the place where you can pray. Maybe a couple restrooms. Back here, you have our safety boats in case something happens, full of trash. Here they have an area where you can lay down and chill if you wanted to. That's not too bad. Then here, just a bunch of metal benches, metal chairs. You can go out here, check out the nice view. I might just hang out here while we go back to Ambon. I don't think this is one of those boats where you can get up there and hang out on the top deck. I think this is it right here. But here they have a full bar up here. If you wanted to get snacks, if you wanted to get some instant noodles, some crackers, some chocolate, some bread, some coffee. Hello. Actually, I'll take some coffee. Coffee hitam. Hot coffee.
Kopi panas.
Kopi panas.
More.
More.
Yeah.
A little more. Sure.
More.
That's okay. I guess that's enough. These are what Bobby was eating in Jimber, the spicy chips. Pedas,
Yeah.
Pedas.
Pedas.
Yeah, saya tidak suka
Pedas.
pedas.
Langsung buka merah.
But the kids love them. The
Yeah?
kids. Even
Yeah,
the kids can eat
yeah,
that.
yeah.
And it's so spicy.
Yeah. Ya, ya, ya.
Tenang saja. Ajarkan saya bahasa Inggris ya. Berbahasa Inggris ya.
Teach me English.
Okay. Sure, sure. How much is this?
Berapa?
How much?
Harga berapa?
Berapa? 10,000 ya.
Ya, 10.000. Ya, itu
Okay.
sudah
It
bahasa
costs
Inggris.
10,000.
Maunya dia ada. Bahkan tadi tanya.
It costs.
It.
It costs
Costs
10,000.
10,000.
So together, it costs 10,000.
Ya, bisa. Boleh aja langsung nih.
You're welcome.
Langsung bisa bahasa Inggris. Bisa lah.
This is a 1.5 hour to Leon. This is a 1.5 hour boat ride back to Ambon. So yeah, the speedboat's much better. Right, the speedboat. But I guess the speedboats don't run in the afternoon. The speedboats run just one time. You gotta take the boat back, which is fine. So get comfortable. I'm not go get up there, huh? And now they're letting the cars on. But first, as you see, shipping truck. Shipping truck. Shipping. All of these are shipping trucks. Probably taking all the produce, all the durian and everything like that, taking it to Ambon. Or there it's going to be sold in markets and all that kind of stuff. And it's starting to fill up here. Still got plenty of seats though. Still got plenty of seats. Hello. I made it to the captain's room. I saw that there were some stairs going up. I thought it might go to the top deck, but it led me here. Creen. And over here, it looks like they're playing some sort of checkers, maybe. Yep. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Goodbye, Seram. I only got to spend one day on you, but it was fun. It was fun. I don't know if I'll be back. I got a lot more exploring to do in Indonesia, but I enjoyed Seram. And we're going to be on this boat for like an hour and a half now. So we got a long journey back. And then where we land is like on the complete opposite side of where I'm staying. So it's going to be a little bit of a journey getting back to my hotel tonight, which is fine. So we're going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you, Atha, for taking me on this journey, this adventure with you. It's been a wonderful day here. And if you're interested in doing one of these trips over to Seram, or I'm sure they provide all kinds of tours and guides and whatever you want to call it, all over the island. So if you're interested, get a hold of Atha. I'll leave all her information in the description. And yeah, reach out to her. She'll take care of you. And you know, you could experience a wonderful day like I did, because it was badass. I enjoyed it. So again, thank you for watching. And I hope wherever you are, you're doing well and staying safe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Even on the boat, somebody's flipping me off.